Lymphomas are very radiosensitive. And some of them, the indolent ones that are most similar to normal lymphocytes, are really exquisitely radiosensitive, and even low doses like just 2 gray or 4 gray will kill almost all the tumor cells. So the research into this has led to the use of this very, very low dose for selected types of lymphomas, in particular follicular lymphomas and marginal zone lymphomas, which are extremely radiosensitive. And a strategy has now evolved that we are going to test in a prospective study in the International Lymphoma Radiation Oncology Group, where we give just 4 gray to lesions of either follicular lymphoma or marginal zone lymphoma, and then wait and see the effect for 2 to 3 months. And in 80% of the cases, the lesion will disappear and the effect is satisfactory and no further treatment is needed. But if further treatment is needed, it is of course very easy to give further treatment to for instance, the standard dose of 24 gray, because we've given such a low dose beforehand. So this is a very, very attractive way of treating these lymphomas. The patient only needs to come for 1 treatment, and there are absolutely no side effects because the dose is so low. So something to exploit further in the future.